Okay, let's talk about the biggest lie out there when it comes to AI and your job.
You've heard this a million times, right? AI will replace you. But that's not the real story, not even close. Here's what's actually happening.
So when you hear a company say AI will replace you, what they're really admitting is that they've failed to redesign the work itself.
Let's break that down for a second. Think about a traditional job. It was basically built as a big bundle of, maybe 50 different tasks, all just grouped together into one single role.
Now along comes AI, and it can do half of those tasks. And frankly, it can do them a whole lot faster. But instead of actually redesigning the role to use this new power, a lot of companies just point the finger and blame the technology.
But this is where it gets interesting, because this failure creates a huge opportunity. The most valuable people, the real subject matter experts, are going to win by stepping into what we call the exception management zone. This is the space where human expertise is absolutely essential for handling the complex, nuanced situations that AI just can't.
So here's the crucial point. Your role is making a fundamental shift. You are becoming the editor, not the processor.
So what does your high-value work look like now? It's really two key things. First, you validate the intent of the work, making sure the goal is the right one. And second, you guide the outcomes, using your expertise to shape that final result.
And this is the shift that makes your expertise truly irreplaceable.
If you want the playbook for this, just comment exceptions below.